Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a real estate agency with eXp Realty, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start a real estate agency with eXp Realty, first research the company and understand its business model. Familiarize yourself with eXp Realty's unique value proposition, including its cloud-based platform and agent-centric culture. Next, obtain the necessary real estate license in your state or region to operate as a real estate agent. Consider enrolling in relevant courses or training sessions to enhance your knowledge of real estate practices and procedures. Once licensed, reach out to eXp Realty to express your interest in joining their brokerage. Attend an eXp Realty onboarding session to learn about the tools, resources, and support available to agents. Complete any required paperwork and agreements to officially become part of the eXp Realty team. Set up your professional online presence, including social media profiles and a personalized website. Utilize eXp Realty's marketing resources to create an effective marketing strategy for attracting clients. Network with other real estate professionals and agents within the eXp Realty community to build connections and share knowledge. Start building your client base by leveraging your personal network, social media, and local community events. Implement effective lead generation strategies, such as hosting open houses or utilizing digital advertising. Stay organized by utilizing eXp Realty's technology platforms to manage your leads and listings efficiently. Continuously educate yourself on industry trends and best practices to stay competitive in the market. Utilize eXp Realty's training and mentorship programs to further develop your skills and grow your business. Track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed to achieve your business goals. Celebrate small victories and stay motivated as you grow your real estate agency with eXp Realty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.